Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the online examination portal using Python and Django framework. So user have to copy that particular URL and paste in any web browser. Whenever user run the Python file, then it will provide one URL. So let's enter the URL. It will open the login page, open the admin page also, like URL/admin. This will open the admin section. User have to enter the username and password and then click on login button. It will show the courses, exam details, question banks, question types, registration, result and users. So let's add course. Enter the course name, description, faculty, status, created and modified. Like course name BCA third year, description, faculty, Rakesh sir, status 1, and then click on save button. So it will save the course. Now go to exam details. There is 0 exam, so we have to enter the exam details. Like exam name, test 1, description, test 4, third year, BCA, start date, start time, start date and start time, and end date and end time, number of question, attempts allowed, pass percentage, course ID, year, status and created, and last modified. So let's enter all those details and click on save button. So it will save the exam detail. Now go to question bank. So we have to add the question and the answer, like what is programming. User have to enter the answer. Let's copy from any website. Okay, I have just copied that answer from that particular website. Just copy and paste there. And question type, like short answer or long answer, exam ID, score, status, create and modify. Then click on save button. So it will save the question bank. Like add one more question. What is Python? We have to write the answer of Python. Like Python is a high level programming language. It is developed by and enter question type like short answer, exam ID, score, status, created, modified. Then click on save button. So it will store the question bank. This is the test section, like sign in, and it will show the examination 1, percentage 0%. Let's go to exams and we have to click on the register button. So applied for the registration successfully. Now go to registration section. Okay, we have to enter 1 for registered and then click on save button. Let's go to text section and click on approve exam. Now after a few seconds it will give the permission to attempt. Let's refresh this window. It will give permission to attempt short type answer like what is programming, and then second what is Python. Let's enter the answer like Python is high level programming language. Then click on finish button. You have scored 0 marks. Go to examination section. Okay, and then click on progress and check the answer key. So it will score like 2.0 and 2.0. it will give the question, answer, and your answer. Okay, now go to profile. You can also change or update the profile, like test name. I have given the demo email ID and mobile number, and let's update. You can also change the password. Dashboard section. These are the percentage, will show 100%. Attempt left 4, third year. Course detail, description, like approve examination. After some time it will give the permission to attempt. Now let's log out. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And this project developed using Python programming language and Django web framework used to develop the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.